Okay, so we're going to do a factory reset on the Korg i3. Now this is the new Korg i3, not the Korg i3 from back in the 80s. So I don't know why Korg called this the Korg i3. It keeps confusing people, but there we have it. So we're going to do a factory reset on my keyboard. And I know a lot of people ask for this, so it's very simple. So switch it off. So we're powering off, and you see this bank button, bank right button. We hold that button down while we're switching our Korg i3 on. And it says factory preload. And then we have to go either cancel it or enter it. So I'm going to enter it, which is on this button here. Enter. And then it says factory preload processing. And now it's complete. Please reboot. And so now we're going to reboot our Korg i3. Powering off. And there we go. That's a factory reset done. Alright, I hope this helps. Thank you.